the hands and feet of the Savior. Be that hands and feet. Chapter 7. The final charge. Stand, shine, serve. I leave you with a charge as urgent as a trumpet blast. Stand firm, shine bright, and serve with every breath. Do not be beguiled by the seduction of fear. Let your life answer the darkness with light. Speak truth with compassion. Act with conviction and tenderness. Prepare, yes, but do so with a heart of love. Remember always, the end of days is not only an ending, it is the unveiling of consummation. God's righteous repair of a broken world. We are called to be witnesses, healers, and watchmen. Take your place. The hour is now. Let your courage be the signal that calls others home. May the Lord arm you with patience, gird you with strength, and crown you with enduring hope. Stand, soldier of light. The trumpet sounds. Press forward. If this message moved you, please subscribe to the channel, activate notifications, give the video a like, comment with your thoughts and testimonies, and share this message with those who need courage today.